Welcome back to Think Thrice Problem Solving. We're solving a fun little problem today with an infinite continued fraction here. So if we have a is greater than 0, little a is greater than 0, we want to find big A, where big A is the limit as x approaches 0 of x plus a over x plus a over all this stuff continued to infinity. So if you want to give this a shot, go ahead and pause your video. Otherwise, we're going to go ahead and work toward a solution. All right, so what we notice here, the first thing we're going to see is that we have the limit as x approaches 0 of this whole guy right here. But as x approaches 0, we're going to have, if I look right here, this is going to be the same as my red bracket because it's continuing to infinity. Okay, so the thing inside the green brackets is actually the same as the thing inside the red brackets. So what does that mean? So what that means is that a is equal to the limit as x approaches 0 of what's in the red bracket, so x plus, and then I have a divided by what's in the green brackets we said was the same as what is in the red brackets, which is just our total expression a, because it's the limit of x as x approaches 0 of that bottom portion. So we actually have the limit as x approaches 0 of x plus little a over big A. And that's really all we need to get to our solution here. So if I plug x approaches 0 in here, I now have that a is equal to a divided by big A, which just tells me that a squared is equal to little a. And since a is bigger than 0, I know when I take the square root I'm going to get a positive number. So a is just going to be equal to the square root of a. And that is going to be my final answer. So that was a nice and quick one, but it's a little bit clever how we work toward that solution there. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. If you have your own video or if you have your own problem that you'd like me to solve, please submit it via email. And as you're working problems by yourself, if you get stuck, think once, think twice, and if you're really stuck, think thrice.